Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to view liked Facebook Reels. It's pretty simple and easy, so let's get started. We open the Facebook app. We open the Reels section. Let's first like something
Hold up your hand.
with no sound, like bunch of things. And now tap on our profile at the top right. We open our profile. We scroll down and select the Reels section right next to photos. Here you can see my Reels. Right next to it there's liked Reels. Here are all the Reels you liked. That's it. I want to improve my content, so if you have any tips how I can do that, type them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.